To show you how to set up the new Samsung Galaxy S25 as well as the S25 Plus, step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn it on, press and hold that power button until it boots up. Once it boots up, you should be at the welcome page here. From here, go ahead and choose your language. I'm good with English there, and I'll tap on start. For your review, just scroll down, and then these first two are, you have to check those to proceed. So go ahead and read through those if you're okay with checking with those. And this one down here is optional. I agree to send Dynasty data to Samsung, so that's up to you, but I'm fine with all of them. I'll just agree to all, and I'll tap on agree. And it says here, easy setup with another device. Sign in automatically and copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Okay, so basically if you want to do it that way, if you have a Galaxy or Android phone to be here, you can use an iPhone or iPad, or you can set up manually. For me, this is a new fresh phone for me, so I'm gonna go but set up manually for myself. Choose Wi-Fi network. I can skip and always do it after setup, but I'm gonna do it now, trying to get that update. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi here, and I'm gonna input my Wi-Fi password. Once you put in the Wi-Fi password, we're gonna tap on connect. It said connected. Connect to a mobile network. Okay, so you can go ahead and transfer a SIM from another phone. You can use the QR code. You can search for mobile plans, or you can set up it later in settings. Okay, I always go set up later in settings, and after the settings is complete, then I'll go back here. All right, so what I'm going to do for myself, I'm going to set up later in settings, and I'll make it after the setup is done. I'll make another video and show you how to insert a physical SIM card. Here it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, basically your Gmail, and more. If you want to do that, you click next. But for myself, again, it's a fresh, clean copy on this phone. So I'm going to click on don't copy. And here is the Google sign in. You can go ahead and sign in. You can go ahead and create a new account, or you can skip and do this later. I'll just do this another time. I'll skip this Gmail for now. Protect your phone, basically a password. You can use face recognition, face ID password. You can use fingerprints, pattern, PIN, or password. You can use multiple of them as well. Okay, for myself, I'm just going to go with PIN here, and then later on after setup sometime, eventually I'll do the fingerprint and the face ID. So let me choose a 6-digit PIN here. After you put it in once, tap on continue, and then type it in one more time to confirm. Then tap on OK. Google services, use location, that's optional. Allow scanning, optional. Send usage and dynastic data. These are all optional, okay? So that's up to you. You can untoggle what you want, what you don't want. I'm gonna keep all of them on, it's fine for me. And I will tap on accept down here. And this is to sign into your Samsung account. I don't have my password on hand, so I'm just gonna, for myself, I'm just gonna tap on forgot password or don't have an account right there. And then I'll just tap in set up later in settings. I'll do it another time when I get that password. And these are the reasons why you want to sign into your Samsung account, okay? Especially find your devices if they are lost, okay? But again, for me, I will skip for now. Samsung service legal information. Now the first one, the terms and conditions, you have to proceed. You got to tap on that, okay? So you can tap there to read through it. These here are all optional, okay? So that's all up to you. I'm fine with just the terms and condition up there, and I'll tap on agree. So these are all optional, okay? But for myself, I'm just going to keep the auto blocker on there, and I will uncheck those two, just my personal preference. Check your region, so I'll tap on other state here. So for myself, choose your display mode. Do you want light or do you want dark? Most of you guys will go with dark. I like dark myself. Let's click on next here. You're all set up. From here, you can tap on what's new, or if you don't want to do that, you can just click on home. And we are now in business. And there you go. Now in this next video, what I'm going to do is insert a physical SIM card. If you want to see that video, look in the description, link below.